What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, guys, we got something a little different. So we're not running tonight. Well, maybe we are. For this video, guys, we are not going to do any racing unless anyone wants to pull up again. But today, guys, we're going to do a little different. I'm going to try to put my camera skills to the test, and I got a couple guys that are coming. So we're going to go out and we're just going to try to see if we can get some good shots of the car. Do some rolling, try to do some rolling shots, maybe some video. I'm going to hopefully try to get someone to drive my car, and then I'll be able to shoot it. So I'm hoping they come out good. I don't know how good it's gonna be. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna probably switch the lens. The lens I'm using right now isn't the best because it's third party, so essentially the camera doesn't recognize that the lens is on there, so it's not gonna have all the features that I want. So it's all like super manual, which kind of sucks for pictures, I feel like. But I'm gonna wash the car, and then we're gonna get there and see what we can do. Let's go. Extra. Nice. You can hear it. Nice car, bro. How much power does this make?
Dude, shit's so
Dude, these seats are nice, dude.
Thanks, man.
Damn. And you got dude, this is so nice now. Damn, that's really good. You did a good job.
Whoa.
Bro, this is real JDM.
This is nice.
I know. The seats actually recline or no?
Yeah.
Oh, they do? Damn.
I need to center them though. I just don't want to take them out again.
Oh, okay.
It's so hard to take those things out.
Yeah.
Is the clutch heavy?
Yeah.
Fucking.
It's so heavy.
What's this for?
Yeah, it's heavy as shit.
Damn, this shit nice. What the hell?
So you can do it quicker?
I guess. Is that what it's for?
Yeah, this is far as fuck.
You're good. Got it. Ooh, damn. You hear that cold start?
Yeah, with that E85?
Yeah.
Are you for real?
Maybe.
Kind of like that.
Maybe. I
Have
don't
you
know.
done your maintenance, man? Have you changed your oil?
Yeah, well, I should do. Hey, man, take care of my shit. I'll kill you. No, we're good. I got a mechanic. Damn, bro, we got this thing right. Oh, God. What's up, Alex?
What's up, man?
How's it going? About to be on the vlog, bro. Alright, we're about to do some rolling shots here. And we'll come back and get Eden's car, and then we'll be good. It goes so slow. First gear. Oh, there's some good shots, I think. Did it go off? Yeah, that's...
You'll burn out.
Why? You do burn out.
Fuck, no, no.
I'm crashing, bro. Wait, what they bumping? That's pretty good though. They're even.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
That is. Damn, that's
For a
good.
Hyundai?
Hell yeah.
That's gonna take it off.
Damn, boy, he got you. It's that weight. I think it's because I'm in here. Yeah, bro, you're kind of fast, dude. Forgot how to drive?
Let me hit you.
Actually, yeah. Hey, bro, what you doing? You go manejar. All right, guys. So now I'm driving this. Got some good rolling shots, right, Ed? Some decent shots. But now I've got the gift to drive the monster.
Dude, what fucking gift?
Oh, I like this drive, bro.
It's alright.
Okay, let me adjust the seat, bro.
It could
Come
be
on.
the GT 500.
Good. How do I just like?
No, bro, you don't need to move none of that. You get good.
All right, y'all. All right, guys. So that's gonna do it for today. That was pretty fun. We got some good rolling shots, I think. It was kind of hard, but my first time taking rolling shots, and that was, I think I actually did pretty decent. So that was a good time. Make sure you guys hit up my boys on Instagram and Snapchat and hit them up because they got some nice cars. And if you guys want to see more, just follow them. But yeah, so we got Edwin right here trying to ruin the vlog. So I think the shots are decent. I posted them up if you guys saw them. You know, let me know what you guys think about them. I think they're okay. But yeah, so first time, we'll see how it goes when I go back to review the footage. But yeah, guys, well, thanks for watching. If you guys liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.